Are you ready? Oh. Our next lesson is... look. Our next lesson, look at the screen, kuya. English. Huh? Our topic will be sound of objects. Yes, okay. Our objective is to identify specific sound in the environment, specifically sound of the objects. Where is the telephone, kuya? Point the telephone. Telephone. Let's try to hear the sound of the telephone, kuya. That's the sound of the telephone, Kuya Marcos. Very good. Hear the sound of the telephone again, Kuya. Listen to the sound, Kuya. That's the sound of the telephone. Okay. So next, clock. Can you point that the clock? There you go. Let's listen to the sound of the clock, Kuya. Are you listening to the sound of the clock? Oh, yeah. That's the sound of the clock, anak. Again, look, listen. Tick-tock, 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 tick-tock. That's the sound of the clock. Can you point the clock again? Okay. Can you point the drum? Can you point the drum, Kuya Marcos? Look at the picture. There you go. Listen to the sound of the drum, Kuya Marcos.
And we're going to talk about the names of the drums.
Here,
First, the most fundamental drum
listen,
as part of our drum set is the snare drum.
That's the sound of the drum. Can you look at the drum?
Snappy sound because of the snare wires on the bottom.
Look at the drum set, Kuya.
The next most fundamental part of the drum set
Drum.
is the bass drum. We play that with the foot.
You listen first. Listen. That's the sound of the drum.
And that's the lowest member of the family of the drum.
Yeah, sound of the
It's
drum.
a very sharp, snappy. The most fundamental drum is part of our drum
Listen.
set. It's the snare drum.
That's the sound of the drum, Kuya Marcos. Okay? How about the sound of... what's that? You listen first, ha? Listen to the sound of the whistle. Listen to the sound of the whistle. That's the sound of the whistle, Kuya. Okay. What's next? This one. What? Hands down, please. Can you point the bell? Point the bell. No, that's the word. Point the object. Object bell. Kuya, you look at the screen and point for the bell. Look at the screen. Where's the bell? Where's the bell? Bell. Where's the bell? Where's the bell? Point the bell, Kuya. Point the bell. Bell. You listen to the sound of the bell, okay? That's the sound of the bell. That's the sound of the bell. Okay? Let's try this one. Kuya, what are the sound of these objects? Okay? Look. Where's the hands down, please. Where is the telephone? There you go. This is the sound of the telephone. You listen. Listen first. That's the sound of the telephone. Okay?